Hey all, welcome back. 2025 is the year of AI and there is lot more noise around the AI. If we talk about the AI in the ServiceNow, ServiceNow is also not leaving behind. So today's video is about the AI in ServiceNow. First, we will understand what is the AI, what AI capability ServiceNow are using, okay, and then we will deep dive into this AI feature of ServiceNow so that you will feel really confident when someone is talking about the AI in the ServiceNow. So without wasting time, let's start. First, my quick introduction. My name is Abhishek. I have total 10 years of experience in ServiceNow development and delivery. And today's topic, we are talking about the AI capabilities in ServiceNow. So if I talk about the AI capabilities in ServiceNow, there are three type of capabilities. First is generative AI, second AI agent, third is agentic AI. So what is all three capabilities? If I talk about the generative AI, it creates the content like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, DALL-E. If we talk about the AI agents, it just not only create the content for you, it also act like it goes one step further and do the work for you as well. Third is the agentic AI. Agentic AI is more powerful than AI, generative AI and AI agent both. It can only generate the content, but it can plan, do the reasoning and execute as well. So let's understand first through this diagram. Here you can see the image with a chef. Okay. So if I talk about the chef, he is having the generative AI capability. Okay. So he can get the recipe. Okay, like what is the recipe to cook a dish. But if we talk about the AI agent, he do have recipe and he do have ingredients and tool as well, and he can cook a dish with these recipe, ingredient and tool. Third is agentic AI, the most powerful version of AI. If we talk about this agentic AI in respect of chef, he can not only cook but he can plan and he can do all the kitchen work, streamlining the things and achieve a bigger goal. Okay, here you can see the agentic AI. The chef plans the menu, check ingredient, substitute what is missing, assign tasks to helpers, ensures the meal is served on the time. Okay, so now I am going to talk about this generative AI capability in respect of ServiceNow. Okay, so generative AI refers to the systems that can create new content, whether it is text, image, code, audio and video. Okay, so how generative AI works? So basically generative AI is mainly based on the LLM, that is the large language models. Okay, it uses the high amount of data, large amount of data. It can be Wikipedia, Google Works, or anything. Like if I talk about the in context of the ServiceNow, it will use the product documentation, ServiceNow websites, ServiceNow community, or other things as well. So generative AI example, ChatGPT, like it can generate human like text based on the prompt. Okay, and similar capability in respect of ServiceNow, we have this Now Assist tool. Okay, using this Now Assist, we can do the script generation like in the business rule, fix a script include. Okay, we can create the flow as well. We can not only create the flow, but we can manage the existing flow as well. Okay, it can do the client script summarization and many more. Guys, this is going to be an introduction video only. In my next video, I am going to demonstrate you like how this script is being generated, what all plugin you need to activate, what all role basically you need to generate the script. So these were the things which is really important for nowadays in for a ServiceNow interview. Okay, we will also talk about the large language model, that is the LLM. We will also talk about the RAG, which is the retrieval augmented generation used in the flow generation, or we can say the used in the flow designer. So hope you are clear with what is the generative AI and the example of generative AI in ServiceNow. So now what is the AI agent? So AI agent is a program that takes input, think and act to complete a task. Okay, if you see the definition written on the screen, an AI agent is an AI powered assistant that can just understand request, decide what to do and take actions automatically. Okay, not just the give answers unlike the generative AI. Okay, so chatbots are the classical examples of the uh, AI agent, not only in the ServiceNow, but you may have seen on different customer support portal where they ask for one question, and in respect of this one question they gave you more and more options, and later on performing the task as well. Okay, so if I talk about in context of the ServiceNow, virtual agent is the classical example of AI agent. So I have given an example as well, like some users, okay, where we find the virtual agent mainly on the service portal, or it is configured in your teams as well, connected with your backend service now. Okay, so if a user type I forget my password, okay, so it understand which user is logged in, it may check the user table, okay, or it can trigger a flow action, send a password reset link or open a ticket, okay, based on what is suitable for that condition. Okay, but AI agent is capable of what is configured for that AI agent. Okay, it will not do the reasoning. So that's why we have this agentic AI, which is more and more powerful than this AI agent. Okay, second, I have taken another example for this AI agent. Let's take an example. You are working on this HRST module, okay, where one HR agent is configured, okay, and you just simply typed on this HR agent, help me with some HR queries like how many vacations do I have left. So what it do, it will just query the HR system and it will check with your record what are the remaining balance, fetches the data and it will provide you. Okay, so this is the AI agent. Third, agentic AI. So what is agentic AI? Agentic AI is AI that can not only understand and respond, unlike this generative AI and AI agent, but also plan. It will do reasoning and take actions on its own across the multiple system. Okay, it is just like a digital co-worker that solve tasks end to end without some missing, without constant help, guys. Okay, so here is an example of AI agent in context of ServiceNow again. Like in ServiceNow, reads an incident, find relevant KBA article, decide resolution steps, and run workflow in the flow designer automatically. Okay, so to do a multi-step reasoning, multi-step planning, and meeting a complex goal, what you need? You need a AI agent, not the agentic AI. Sorry, you need a agentic AI, not the AI agent. My bad. So guys, this is all for this video. Okay, in my next video I am going to start this now assist module. Okay, where first we will do the generative AI, like how we can generate the code. Okay, and what model behind generating the code, what is the LLM, what is the RAG, okay, and how this flow designer will be triggered. So please watch my next video, and I promise you I'll be providing you best content for this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed this channel, please appreciate me by subscribing this channel. Thank you so much for watching.